Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play EFootball effectively using your keyboard. Let's start with the basics. Your primary movement controls are typically assigned to the arrow keys, allowing precise directional input. For passing, you will generally use the X key, while D is for shooting. Remember to hold R2 for sprinting, which gives your players a burst of speed. Mastering these fundamental actions is your first step to dominating the virtual pitch. Now, let's elevate your offensive game. To create scoring opportunities, use the W key for through passes, sending your forwards into space. For crosses into the box, press a when near the touchline. When shooting, a quick tap of D performs a regular shot, but holding it down increases power. Combine these with the C key for dribbling close to the ball, allowing you to weave past defenders and set up fantastic goals. Practice these moves to become a formidable attacking force. Defending is crucial for success, so let's cover those controls. To apply pressure and try to win the ball, hold down the X key, making your player chase the opponent. For a standing tackle, use the key, aiming to dispossess without fouling. Switching between players is vital. Typically, this is done with the Q key, allowing you to control the closest defender. If you are in trouble, a long press will clear the ball safely away from your goal area. To truly excel, consider these advanced tips. First, explore the in-game settings to customize your keyboard layout. Finding a comfortable setup can significantly improve your performance. Dedicate time to the training modes, practicing specific skills like free kicks and corner kicks. Watching professional EFootball players can also provide valuable insights into advanced tactics and movement. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will sharpen your reflexes and elevate your gameplay to a much higher level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.